Right, just a little quick video. The boost pipe on this 200 TDI was no good. You can see it keeps splitting here. It's obsolete now. 20 piece of hose. In the United States at Rovers North, they have a braided stainless steel all singing and dancing piece of hose for 57 American dollars. So by the time that gets here with shipping, it's going to be about $125. But what can you get for 20 bucks? Well, you can get a piece of hose like this. And it's perfect. Look, it's flexible, thick, don't mean like stupid. But it says on here, it's 3/16 of an inch, 300 PSI. So you can really crank that boost right up. And it's perfect, it's flexible. And unlike the nylon stuff, it's rubber so it doesn't chatter. Now obviously I've got here some of those little clips on it as well. It doesn't really need them because this is on a barb. So this is going on top of your injector pump, and then I'm going to measure this out, and then I'm going to put this other clip on here. Now these are really handy things to get. I'll put a link for Amazon where I got them from. These little things here. Far better than hose clips for small pipes. They're brilliant. And you get a pair of crimpy things with it as well. They're nice. Mind you, you have to cut them off when you want to use them again, but that said, they're good. Let's get on and fit this. So there we are, there's the hose on. I've got it running across this hose here so it's rubber on rubber, and it's a nice smooth flow all the way down to the top of the injector pipe. That's for 20 bucks, it's well worth it. I know it's a bit expensive for us, but now we know it's 3/16, we can buy it in a big roll. In fact, you could actually, I think it's, look at this here, this is pathetic. I think that's a little bit bigger, but as you know from Land Rover, that's really expensive. So that's 3/16, maybe that's quarter, and we could replace that because that's going to blow. Anyway, that's that. And thank you for everybody who contributed into the routing of the pipes. I think we've got all that sorted out now. That's it. See ya.